There we go. All right, team. Hope everyone had a good trading day. Overall, a lot of plays, not bad. Um, we in some swings, of course, into the week. We in a few swings. We don't really have anything pending in reference to data in the morning. I'm gonna double check as we speak before I'm just talking on my head, but I'm pretty sure. I think we cleared until Thursday because I remember I did post it in the chat. There's only data um today and Thursday. So tomorrow, let me it looks from here, it looks like they're trying to just range traders. Like you see the daily, the Bears, they make a lot of moves. The Bulls didn't make a lot of moves the last 2 days. Like they did rip above, but didn't hold. So it looks like they're trying to range us, and this was in the talks in the market that they might just try to range us until data keeps rolling out, until government shutdown is resolved, because that's still in the air. There's war still going on, so I just want you guys to keep in mind that they might just range us for a little bit. So this looks like the range that is starting so far. This 435 to this 432 range is like, it's like ping pong, up and down, like literally. So tomorrow, by the looks of it, we might try to push a little higher. Just don't know if we're gonna hold, because this candle today did push higher, sorry, higher, but it didn't hold. As you see, it went right under the 50. So the only reason I'm saying is because, look, this still looks strong. Like nothing really looks that heavy in my opinion. And we increased on the MAC here. So if we do get a move up, hey, who knows? We might fill in this little gap right here, and maybe it'll hold above here, and maybe just hold that area until Thursday data, and the market could do what it wants. Thursday data could come and it could flush us right back under. So right now we look like we're gonna push a little bit higher, in my opinion. It doesn't look heavy. Today was a funny price action, in my opinion, because data came out hot, right? Market dump, pre-market. We went to 432 and change. I shorted it. I took out on one of my three puts. I didn't take it out on the whole plate, thank God. But basically, barely made profit because I trimmed kind of soon. But as soon as 432 and change hit, the market just bounced, and it left, it rocketed. So that's why I have a bullish sentiment, because we didn't revisit those levels, those 432s or 433s. Once it was gone after like first hour of market, to me, I was like, oh man, this is showing a lot of strength. Like we're pivoting higher for the next move, higher basically. So what I mean by pivoting is making a higher low. So that's exactly what SPY did in the Qs. It just ripped from the bottom, and that was a higher low from yesterday's low. We didn't even revisit yesterday's low. So that's giving me another reason why I think we're gonna go a little higher. And I'm in calls with the team 372. I like how we held 368. I was a little shaky at first because SPY didn't wasn't holding 368, and I was like, damn, I wanted to hold 368 for me to be comfortable on these calls, because if Qs move $6 tomorrow, ATR from that range as well, we could go in the money, we could print, and we got it for dirt cheap. So that was the goal on that play. I want to buy for cheap so we could print hard if it manages to go reaches ATR tomorrow and go in the money. So the average trading range, that's what I'm looking for tomorrow on the Qs. So Qs, in my opinion, look stronger. Why? Because we above the 50, guys. So SPY is under and Qs is above. This is funny. So I like that we're holding it. And look, even the Bears couldn't go under this. So that's good. That's good. If we go under, then that's a new trend starting if we build a daily candle under. Um, this looks this looks weaker than SPY, the RSI, to be honest. I don't like how it's kinking down. The Mac looks good. We just crossed positive, and it's the first tint after intercepting that sequence of the other prior tint a few days. This is Friday, so it went dark yesterday. They went light test. So for bearish momentum, gotta be like 2 or 3 ready building. So I'm glad there's only one in there. So there's still hope for the Qs. Qs definitely has potential to go to 372 easily. Let me see where the wick is at. Look, the wick is 373. So that's the reason I took those calls, because I looked at the highs we had not too long ago on the Qs. So I saw that we was holding this 50. So I said, you know what? It's cheap and it's worth the gamble. And tomorrow there's no data. So, the market might trend or they might chop us. Never know. The market can do what it wants to do. All right, guys, let's talk about the norms and then I'll get into my names.
Hey Cam,
Yep.
as I was leaving this morning for work, that rip was also due to really crazy retail. They actually doubled expectations. That's why retail was ripping as well.
Yeah.
And the guy on CNBC also stated that because of that, some of the feds are like revising their GDP numbers to almost like 4% for the next report. So it's just they keep on thinking that this economy is just super, super strong. So
Mhm.
great analysis on that, but just heads up on
Yeah.
that rip as well, with that data.
All right. Thanks on the input, bro. Appreciate
Mm-hmm.
it. Yeah, retail was ripping. You're right. I was watching the watch list building when I was building it. Saw a lot of green arrows on the retail name. Let's see. All right. So Apple, 1, 2. It looks like it tried to push today. Honestly, Apple looks like it's gonna be a chop fest. It doesn't look like it's probably gonna drop, even though the RSI. Wait, actually 3 sequence already on the. So Apple does look semi-heavy. I'm not gonna deny it. Um, the Bulls look like they won it today, but they didn't really move the needle. So Apple looks heavy, my opinion, team. See Microsoft. Microsoft is holding the 9. That's what I like. Let me see. Tomorrow's gonna be a tricky day, and this is not really bearish because we didn't break no support, no big support on the RSI. So, and Microsoft still has that news that hit, which was well for them. I'm bullish on Microsoft, team. So I'm bearish on Apple, but bullish on Microsoft. All right. Netflix. Damn Netflix. Yeah, we spoke about the reversal here and it ripped the next day. Let me see. Netflix looks heavy. Uh-oh. Yeah, cautious on Netflix. It's literally right at the first floor. So Netflix to sell, guys, tomorrow. This is almost a bearish engulfing. It's just a wick that's intercepting it a little. Netflix, Apple, Microsoft. Which one? Oh, Tesla, right? Tesla. Tesla could go. Yeah. And it's still positive. Yeah. Tesla could go. Well, actually, above the 9 on the daily, I'll say. But Tesla held nice from today and yesterday. Okay. Is that it? Microsoft, Apple. I think that's it, right? I'm not missing any names, right? You guys let
I
me
mean,
know.
NVIDIA for the chips.
Oh,
I mean,
NVIDIA.
I know you're in, and then I know
Yeah, I'm in
always
still,
a
bro.
meta. Flap's always a
Oh, it could
meta.
be a morning star potential.
Yeah, they bought that motherfucker from the bottom, man, with
Yeah,
those.
this is a nice level two right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we gotta go up tomorrow. Yeah, I'm in NVIDIA. And it already went through the RSI, so it could definitely bounce.
Hey, yeah, Cam, take a look at that MACD RSI and I was kind of looking at that chart and was like, I want to get your perspective. What do you think about that? Not the RSI, but the MACD, my bad. Just the
Mac.
MACD. Because for
All
me, it
right.
looks bearish, yeah?
It does look bearish, but this is still far extended.
Okay.
Usually when these things like, I mean, it could still drop. Don't get me wrong. It could still
Mhm.
drop, but it won't be a heavy drop because the heavy drops come in like,
Cross,
let me
like the
see. Oh,
bearish
right here.
cross.
Yes, this example
Right.
I'm looking for. I'm sorry.
Mhm.
Boom, right here. You see
Mhm.
when it's getting close. So look, we're already at the third one here, right? Yeah,
Got
third,
it.
and we're right here. Then once the next one comes, it's already
With the
crisscrossing.
red. Yeah,
Yeah.
with the red.
So maybe it'll take from the way it's looking, it might have to take two more tints to
Got
go
it.
down, in my opinion. But yeah, these things, they act different. Like over here, let me see how long it took. They here? Oh shit. It's a bad time. Right here, look, you see how
Mhm.
quick it did it right here? But look at
Yeah.
the size. You always gotta look for that small size, you understand?
Yep.
Small
Yep.
size. This
Okay.
one wasn't that small, but usually it's the small size. But
Got
but it usually never happens
it.
on like
Weaker.
right off a three, like this big.
Okay.
Yeah, it really doesn't happen. You gotta start looking for the reals because that's weakness basically. Weakness.
Mhm.
All right.
Mhm. Got
All
it. Yeah, because
right.
that daily candle looks beautiful, man. But I looked at that like MACD on it. Oh man, that gives me bearish feelings. And that, RSI, like you said too, kind of looks a little gnarly, right?
Yeah, yep.
Looks like it's ready to tank, but that fucking candle looks beautiful.
Yeah, definitely. Mommy, I am sorry. Give me 1 second. I gotta run downstairs real quick, like 3 minutes.
Oh,
So,
good, man.
all
Appreciate your
right, let me
time as
pause
always, man.
this. Yeah.
All good.
All right. Let me pause this recording.
Oh, fuck.
All right, take two, gang. Take two. Let's see what
Take
take two
two.
has to offer. CT2. Let's
Oh,
see.
we really are talking about take two. All right, got
Yeah, yeah,
it.
yeah. I really was. My bad.
Damn.
That
That was all puns intended too.
Yeah.
was a segue.
So we got a
Seconds
little
weird.
macro. Yeah, we got a little macro. And I want this to fill. That's what I'm looking for. This fill on this price. We look good. Everything looks pushy, bullish. I'm gonna put the alert right here for y'all, right? I'll make sure here's the room. FOMO room. Let's see SJM's markers. Double bottom been getting hammered like a fucking hammer hitting a nail, guys. So what we got? We got some build. We got, oh, it's not even green. Tomorrow might be the Ripper. So put her right here, all right? Let's see. Monster look fire. Monster. See what Monster's doing. Okay, Monster. We got RSI bullish. Rip resistance. Nice pull on the, it's just a, let me see, 50 to 49. Yeah, that will be the only play the 50 calls. Let me see Monster around here tomorrow. Monster been also been getting beat down. So let's cars, small account, friendly play here. Cars look strong. As soon as it gets above the 21, I'm gonna let the alert rip. I think that's a good zone. Let me see. Yep, that's good. Right above these candles right here, these red devils. Start filling this price zone. Super bounce on the RSI. So we green on the MAC too, dark green. So that's good. Small account friendly. Signa Jewelers. Okay, Signa. Let me see. Holidays around. My rip. I'm gonna put it right here above the body, guys, for Signa.
It's a signal.
Signa right here. Looks good. Yeah, this looks very strong on the RSI. Very bullish. Super bullish on Signa. SLB, Slumberger. Slumber. Okay. This thing's been ripping with Devon Energy. Devon Energy, it's been ripping ever since we entered it last week. So we're gonna keep a watch on this. And we're about to go positive finally on Mac. So we're gonna watch this level definitely on Slumber Energy. So energies look good. I do got an oil play in here that I'm gonna show you guys because I do like oil. Oil looks good. CVX. All right, so that's just one of them. Is up after hours. So CVX right now, gang, it says it's 168.25. Why this alert didn't go off? This is weird. This alert did not hit the room, and that alert is perfect for upside entry. That's weird. All right, so break of here, guys. Go long. If you missed this one, could go after Oxy. They usually follow, but CVX are stronger in my opinion. SPHR. I don't know. Oh, okay. Zoop, super demand zone. So this ticker broke over here, right? So this is where it's reacting to the upside around this price range, as you guys could see. So we did miss entry. I say yesterday was good. Friday was risky, but everything still looks strong. We about to kiss on the RSI, so that means we could still be early on this move. So this one, I think above here, yeah, neck of that red candle where the wick is right there, I think is a good entry right here, the neck of this candle. So it's with some wick fill action. It looks good to go up. I got another oil play, sorry, Zom. Let me see Zom's. Zom, wow. So Zom did a freaking like a little flag break. It built today and ripped. So if we get above the 50, we're back to bullish on oil prices. I mean, I don't see why not. I'm paying arm and a leg for gas over here in the city. So all right, let me do.
So get back.
Yup. Right here, 112. So watch some oil names. Affirmative. Let me see why Affirm look fire to me. Okay, Affirm high or low. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, once we break this resistance is over. And the Mac is looking good. Double bottom on the Mac. Okay. So we're gonna lower that alert right there. I'll adjust the level in the morning. Charge point. This is Clap's ticker right here. Charge point. Let's see what it looks. Okay, we got a bullish engulf in here, Clap. Okay. Yeah,
Clap on
double bottom. Today was a good day for this ticker. Let's see if it continues. Day two. We're looking for day two. Because if it breaks here, that's 370. I want the $4 call, so I gotta see a rip at least 95. All right. MOS. MOS. Mosaic. This is a bullish engulf, and yep. So strong, super strong on the RSI team, super strong. So we're gonna put it right around here. Let's round it off to 80, right? Let's round it off. Oh, I got a ticket for my boy Seif. It's coming up, not this one. I got you. So TMC, small account friendly. I think a month out, this would be a banger. They're getting ER approaching. It is bottoming out, in my opinion. So watch this one. You could grab shares, I guess, if you don't want to do the options. Yuri, United Rentals. We got an inverse head and shoulder here. One shoulder here, the head here, and the other shoulder. So where we going? Okay, I see it.
Knees and toes.
Yeah. It's crazy how I saw that shit as soon as I pulled up the chart, bro. Okay. Yo, we look strong. Yeah, this joint could rip. Oh yeah, the Mac is not even reaching this orange line. It's really extended away from each other with the bull increase on the Mac too. So this is good. This is good. I think right here is a good area to watch to see how she's gonna play. This is a big account though, play. I'll be honest. This is my boy Steve Medtronics caught my attention.
Yo, thank God I sold them crackers, bro.
They might be bottoming out here, bro.
Yeah, man. I know the whole company in my building is praying that they bought them out. I'm not. Yeah, that's a fire chart, bro.
We'll watch MDT above the zone, and now on my boy. Might be bottoming out here. Let's see. Last one is this one, man. I told I know Kleiman and Yeezy could vouch Friday. I was like, yo, next week, 80. Gilead signs.
Lord almighty.
And look at what it did. 80 by Tuesday. So I don't want to go long, obviously. We're OD over ball. So I'm trying to see if this is the short op. And if I do, I want 80 puts. So let me see if I could get in. Yeah, look, it's double topping out a little bit. I'm gonna put it right here for y'all. Right here. But yeah, man, Friday I was on it like white on rice. And little did I know it was gonna it basically rallied from Friday. Three days green. That's why I think tomorrow we're gonna probably sell off a little bit on this one. Let me know any names y'all want me to speak on, and gladly share my analysis and thoughts on it.
I haven't checked Velo yet, bro. What do you think about Velo?
Ooh, Seafer. Velo's ready, bro. That was fire. This was actually better. Yo, forget Zom. Look at let's add Velo. Velo looks way better. Bro, how RSI already crossed too? Yeah, bro, Velo's ready. Why don't I look
Ice
at
in the
Velo?
veins.
Yeah. It's so Velo, I like. Definitely bullish with you, bro. Good eye, mate. All right, any other names? Or we go straight into futures?
Haven't got a
Yeah,
chance to
yeah.
check 'em.
What you
Nami
said,
might have
Nami?
some.
Is that, bro?
You got a name? You said, my bad.
Oh no, I just haven't got a chance to check yet.
All right,
So-
we good. It's all right. We're in the middle of the week, so it's all good. All right,
Plus, we
Just-
talk to each other like 24/8, so we get it
Yeah.
across.
it's all good. And yeah, it's not like we can ask each other during the day. Yo, check this out. All right, gang. All right, so
Bet.
I'm gonna trade. We're gonna go on voice, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
All right,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna
Thank
get
you,
on
bro.
voice.
Thank you guys for everything.
Thank you,
Dave.
Thank you. Sorry for that little pause, guys.
No, you're
All
good.
good.
We got to talk about, silly stuff.
All right, all right, gang.
Gee.